Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. This is what the master bedroom looks a little bit clean, and this is when it looks like a hot mess. As you see, her toys are everywhere. Blankets, sheets, towels, just food, everything is everywhere. Let's get this all in place. So in this video, I'll be cleaning the whole bed and setting up curtains, cleaning the area where my baby sleeps, and organizing all her toys. This is my motivation cleaning master bedroom video. As you see, it was kind of difficult to clean with her around because she's still wanting to throw her toys and her blankets as I'm in the middle of me cleaning. I have another video, and I'll put the link right up top, of where I got this bed and where you can purchase it if you like this bed. This is a California King velvet black bed, and as you see, those crumbs get stuck in those little crevices, so I have to vacuum it and really take time.
This is a solo music production. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music. This is a solo. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music.
So are you guys feeling the music? If so, his information of who designed the track for me is down below. You can contact him that way.
This is a solo music. This is a solo. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music. This is a solo. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music. This is a solo. This is a solo music. This is a solo. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music. This is a solo.
So right now I'm just getting it ready to properly put up the curtains up correctly. I had them all off balance, so I have my measuring tape. I'm definitely going to measure the top to the ceiling. It was 5 inches away from the ceiling, so when I put each stud, it'll evenly be balanced and even correctly all the way around. And I purchased these really cool little rods from Ikea. I don't know if they still have them in stock. They were purchased 2 years ago, but I do like the concept of it because they bend and you can add benders to each end and add extensions to it. So I was using a small cordless drill and I love it, from Home Depot. I believe I probably paid no more than $130. Came with a lot of different drill bits and it's very lightweight.
This is a solo music.
The light pink peach long curtains, those came from Ross. Bought 2 packets of them, so I have a total of 4 panels. And the sheer curtains, I got those from Bath & Beyond. And the rod that the sheer curtains are on came from Home Depot, and they cost no more than like $3.
This is a solo music production.
So this twin size mattress is just temporarily in the room. We're trying to train her to sleep in her own bed, and then eventually we'll be moving her to her own bedroom. But she is only 17 months old, so we're taking baby steps because it's our firstborn.
This is a solo. This This is a solo music production. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music.
Voila, I am finished. Hope you guys enjoy watching this motivation cleaning video. If you want me to do more of these videos, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget you guys to subscribe to my channel and push that bell so you'll be notified for more videos that I have for you. Thank you.
This is a